On the docket today, we have a few odds and ends, and then we're gonna start putting the Tormach together again, finally. The first step is to get carabiners out of the tumbler and get them sorted and counted out so they can go to their backers. I think we have a problem. These carabiners right here are the ones that we sold with our Prybars on the Kickstarter. I ordered 35 of them and I can only find 25. I'm missing 10. I checked through my records. I ordered them as 2 separate batches, a batch of 25 right at the beginning of the Kickstarter. Then I ordered 10 more when I realized that I was selling a lot of them. And that second batch, the batch of 10, never showed up. So I just have those original 25. I don't know how many of those carabiners I sold yet, but I don't know if we're gonna make it. I'm gonna have to do something. The plan is to ship tomorrow. Well, let's start distributing these carabiners and keep your fingers crossed. Well, I have good news and I have bad news. Good news is I have enough carabiners to cover the first batch. The bad news is I've used exactly all of them and I don't have enough for the second batch. So I'm gonna have to come up with something to do for the second batch. I mean, I'll take care of my customers. I don't know what I'm gonna do right now, but I'll make sure it's right by them. Well, while I'm thinking about how to solve our little problem here, I'm gonna start putting the mill together. I know how I'm gonna solve my carabiner problem, and it's really simple. I'm gonna make them. So I'll send them out for water jet cutting, and then when I get them back, I will just do whatever finishing I need to do. Probably nothing on the mill, just aggressive tumbling. It's not hard to get water jet parts fast, so I think that'll be a good option. All right, I'm happy how fast I was able to make progress today. Didn't have much time, but got a lot done. I have 3 of the sides on. I just need to put the front panel on and the ceiling panels. Today is the day. Stickers are here and we're ready to ship batch 1 Prybars. I'm really excited about these buttons. I didn't tell anyone about the buttons. These are a freebie that I'm throwing in with all of my big products from now on. The ruler and the I would hate to pry in, special designed for this Kickstarter. I only have enough of these to ship with the Prybars, but I have enough extra of these that I'll use them for something else. If all the stickers I'm shipping with these Prybars seems excessive, you're probably right. But these sticker packs came from a stretch goal in the Kickstarter kit. The first batch of Prybars is ready to go, for the most part. There's a few that I had to rework that I caught earlier, and then there's a few that have some really minor spotting that's left from not washing them well enough after tumbling them, and I'll need to just quickly retumble these ones for like an hour to even out that surface. Other than that, everything is going to the post office tomorrow morning, and you guys are gonna get your Prybars. If you wanna buy something we make, designeverything.com. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you next time.